To use the dishwasher, grab a detergent pod and remove the wrapper. Once you've removed the wrapper, open the dishwasher and place the unwrapped pod in the slot. Slide close, and then press the on button, and you'll see a host of choices. Usually we go with the auto wash. If you're using a lot of glasses, you can always use the rinse agent that's located underneath the sink. And then all you do is just close the dishwasher and it starts. By the way, we've noticed that when the dishwasher is done, it will beep. And if you just open up the dishwasher, it lets out a lot of steam, and the dishes dry without any marks or stains.